Hello guys and welcome back. So now that we have added our images and we already have our content, okay, it's time to see how our website looks on Facebook, okay. For that we need to go to the debug Facebook, okay. Then we go to the developer and we need to put our website here, cwin.fun, and we click the debug button. It says that the URL isn't shared on Facebook yet. That's why we need to click fetch a new information. Now let's try to scrap again because I can't see the image. And here the image, as you can see. Now if someone share our website, he will see this exact image for the next month. Let's try it. For example, let's type here. I have made this test post, okay, in my Facebook account. Let's try cwin.fun. You see, let's try again. cwin.fun. You see, we will see the same image, and Facebook will keep showing it for the next month, 30 days. So in the next video I will show you how you can fix this problem. Hello and welcome back guys. Well, in the previous video we have seen that we have this issue with Facebook where our images aren't changing. Facebook is only showing one image, as you can see right here. Even that in our end, as you can see right here, the images are changing. So we need to find a solution for that. I have spent almost 3 weeks reading all the Facebook documentation, and finally I found the solution, and I'm here to share it with you. In the next article, okay, you will find this command, okay, that I have developed, and using this command we will be able to fix that issue, okay. If you read through this Linux command, you will notice that you need to type your website here. Let's do it. Our website is called cwin.fun, okay, and you need to have access token and also Facebook app ID. For that we need to create a Facebook app application, okay. I will use the Facebook for developers. I will just click here, create an app. I will name it cwin, okay. I'll just put any name there and click create app ID. Then I will just finish the verification. Okay, now we are on the app dashboard, okay. The first thing you need to do is to click on setting, okay. Then we need to add our website. I will go to privacy policy because I need to copy that link. I will copy it, then I will paste it here. Then I will need to add a link. I will copy this one and click add platform and select website. Then I will paste the website here. Then I will copy this domain and paste it right here. Then I will select any category. Okay, I will choose the entertainment and click Save Changes. Now the changes are saved. Now we need to click App Review. Then we will click, make our application public by clicking this button. Confirm. And that's all. Now you need to copy your app ID. Let's copy it right here. I will paste it first here. Okay. And we need to paste it too on the PHP files. For that, you need to go back to your cPanel, click File Manager, then go to Public HTML. Then you need to edit the following files. Let's edit the privacy policy by clicking Edit. Now you need to put your ID right here in this line. And click Save. You need to do that to term of use too. Click Edit. And we need to edit this line once again and click Save Changes. Now we can close those tabs. Okay, we need to edit one last file. We go to Application, Views, Template, and we need to edit the header. We need to edit this line, okay? And click Save Changes. That's all, okay? Now the last part is by clicking. We need to create our access token, okay? For that we need to go back to the debug, okay? The Facebook debug. It's debug Facebook. Put our domain name, okay? And click debug, okay? That's not ours. I'm sorry. Okay, c.fun. Okay. Now we need to go to the bottom and click Scrap via APE. Then you need to select your app right here. Then click Get App Token. This is our app. This is our access token. Okay, we can copy them, and we need to paste them on the command right here. And that's all. Our command is ready. And in the next video I will show you how to use this command to fix our problem with Facebook. See you next.